They got me. Okay, they got me. Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Furls hooks. This is the new Streamline Metal aluminum hooks. I might need every single one someday. I want them to sell out, I really do, because then it will show how popular they are and they would bring back more colors like Christmas colors and fall colors. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we also got new boxes. We haven't had this color yet. Okay. Okay. Yes, 1,000 of these. She's pretty. This is the 3.75F in the color cyan. This is the cyan polished. So they've got matte versions and polished versions. You'll notice a theme. I got mostly blues. Okay, this is the 3.5E and this is the cyan matte. So it's got a different texture on it. Still gorgeous. I already know some of the things I'm getting during the birthday sale. I don't know about you, but that Onyx matte, yes please. This is the navy in 5mm or an H hook. This is the navy matte. This one's pretty. Look at that. And they're nice and weighted. I love it. Last one. Oh, that's right. I got another of the cyan polished in a 4.5 or a G+. Why? Because turquoise is my favorite color. So these hooks are a little bit like the clover hooks in that they are color-coded. So certain colors go with certain sizes, and that's why you saw a bunch of the same color. That's kind of how it works. So this is the Streamline Metal in the original. So this is the silver, and it is a fingerprint nightmare. It is awful. You just touch it one time and there's your print. It even came with a polishing cloth. It was so bad. Now, is it smooth? Does it great to work with? Does it feel good? Yes, all of the above. But it was a nightmare for people with germophobia, OCD. Oh, it was a problem. So, then they moved to the... What color was next? Blush, maybe? Teresa, Critters Crochet. She has blush. I do not. I do have red, which was a limited edition because of the collaboration with the Taylor Swift crochet book by... Sorry, I'm blanking. Anyway, yeah. So, not as bad, but still there is that texture on it that makes you feel like you're going to leave a fingerprint. Very heavy, but I love it. Oh, it does feel good. I like a little bit of weight. I think it feels good. Then they came out with, is it? Bronze. And I think this is what we have now. See, I can do this all over my hook. Nothing. Not a fingerprint to be seen. This is the bronze one, I believe. So, yep. I also have Onyx, which I think is on a different section because it doesn't fit on my little line here. Oh, Onyx might be with my Wicked hooks because I have a lot of green and black upstairs. So I might have put it with Wicked. Nope. Okay, it's here. Never mind. It's here. This is Onyx, polished Onyx, given to me by my sweet friend Alea. Thank you, Alea. She is Cozy Crochet Co. I will link her down below. I will link Teresa as well. Creators Crochet. So, yeah. So, I love this one. I have a thing about Furls black hooks. They really nail the black. They have black with gold, black with red and gold. They have just black. But I do have to say their Capricorn also has my heart. That one's really pretty too. So, I don't know. I really like what they're doing with black hooks, so keep it up, Furls. Yeah, so I've got the original ones, and then these are the new ones. Where are they gonna go? I have no idea. I have no idea. Y'all, I already have 3 of these things. Okay, to be fair, this little purple one on the end is very small. So really I have 2. I'm not stopping anytime soon. I'm a hook collector, and I am proud of it. Anyway, I have never had the matte ones before. Is this a matte one? No. I've never had the matte ones before, but a few of them come in matte now, and I really want to try what this is like to crochet with. So, it's slimy! Everybody loves slimy on the channel. My favorite little slime green to crochet with. I just love it because you guys can see it. So let's just crochet with this thing. For those of you going, you didn't wipe your hook. Yeah, I did. You think me opening these was the first time I opened them? Y'all, I couldn't wait. My mom and I ripped those boxes open immediately. We were like, we have to see these now. Sometimes I can be patient and wait for you guys. But... Okay. Okay. This is going. flowing well. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys couldn't even see. Okay, I'm loving this. Feels good. Feels real good. Okay, now let's try the new and improved polished. That was a 5, so let's see if we can find the 4.5, because that's pretty close. That is not the 4.5. Okay. 4.5 in polished. Well, let's see if I like that better. Do I like matte better? Interesting. I did not think I would, but I think I might. I did not see that coming. Matte's less noisy, that's for sure. This polished one's kind of noisy. Let's try the other matte one. See, that was this one? Yes. This is the 3.5. Let's do single crochet. I mean, these stitches are huge, so because just drop down a bunch of hook sizes to do this. Okay, so let's turn and go through stitches you actually fit in. I don't know. Let me try the yarn I've been using to make my little guys here. Let's try that. Let's do a magic ring. I mean, I was using a 3mm, this is a 3.5, but that's not bad. Ooh. This one might be too sharp for this yarn. This yarn is kind of splitty, so... yeah. No. You need a smooth, really smooth, no sharp edges hook in order to use splitty yarns. So I was using this one. Nice and smooth. This one's a bit sharp. I don't know if you can see. some of the little sharpness on the side there. That's not a bad thing. I'm not saying the sharpness is a bad thing. I'm saying it doesn't work for this yarn. Okay. It's not going to work for that yarn. But I do want to try. We'll see. No, this one's really sharp on this one too. You can't have a loose weave and a sharp hook, so... Ooh. I'm a little perplexed because this is the size I use all the time and I was really hoping I could use it. Okay. Let's try this. This is a 4-weight, it's just extremely skinny. I would classify it as a 3, but they don't, so. Okay. Works on this kind of yarn. No idea what you would call this kind of yarn, but it is gliding better. Can I get in that stitch? Yeah, I can. Okay, good. There we go. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So you just have to experiment, find which yarns are friendliest with your hooks, but these are absolutely stunning. And they had even more colors. And they said limited edition, so I have no idea how long they will stick around. So if you want one of these colors, I would grab one now. I will link it down below. I'm not affiliated with Furls as of yet, but I love them and I highly recommend them. I love Furls hooks. I think they're great. I think they're good quality, I think they're great hooks, and they're gorgeous as all get out. So, thank you so much for joining me today for Fiber Friday. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.